Horizontal multifunctional spinning machine. Vertical multifunctional spinning machine. Spinning and precision machining are completed on the same equipment. This spinning machine has several advantages. Overall thinning or partial thickening. Can increase the height of the pot body. Compatible with multiple pot types. Especially suitable for orders with small quantities and multiple styles. It can be paired with a robot arm to achieve production line automation. Different from ordinary spinning machines. Can avoid the orange peel pattern and eliminate stretch marks caused by hydraulic press stretching. Trust MOSTRO's know-how. Production flows now.